In this video, I will show you how to color correct and have results like a Hollywood star. Before we start the video, go into the first link in my description and it will redirect you to Elements Envato. The subscription there is super cheap and affordable for video editors. Get the best stock footages, fonts, templates, effects and everything any graphic designer or video editor could possibly need. Drag and drop your footage to the timeline. I got this footage from Elements Envato, by the way. Now double click on it and let's do a basic color correction. Go in light. Let's make the exposure 20%. Make the brightness 10%. Contrast 100%. Adjust highlights to 59%. Move the shadows to 14%. And make the blacks 57%. Let's change the contrast to 14%, it looks better that way. Now let's adjust the color, copy what I'm doing. And with that we are done with the basic color correction. Let's now compare. That looks much better. Let's now add the smart color effect. Drag and drop it to the timeline, double click on the effect to adjust it. Adjust highlights to 76.33%, increase the shadows to 14.08%. Make the brightness 3.43%. Increase the contrast to 43.43%. Increase the saturation to 21.89%. Now let's add the black gold style effect. Double click to adjust it, and copy what I'm doing on the screen. Okay, this is final with this effect. Now let's add a cool title. Drag and drop the default title to the timeline. In this part I'm just playing around with the text and realized that it looks cool like this. Like the video, subscribe to my channel. Get your Filmora 13 today, and don't forget to subscribe to Elements Envato. Peace.